Are you looking for a developer who doesn't just write code but actually understand your requirements? Hi, I am MD Shamsujjoha Sayon, a full stack developer with more than 6 years of experience helping clients turn ideas into high performing scalable web applications. If you have ever struggled with slow or buggy applications, poor system design, developer who disappear mid-project, I solved those problems from the root. I have successfully delivered 45 plus freelance projects from small MVPs to large-scale systems across multiple marketplaces. But what really matters? I focus on building solution that grows with your business, not break when user increases. Here is how I can help you. Scalable backend systems, modern and fast front-end, strong database design, API development and integration, DevOps and deployment, automation, AI workflows and web scraping, even browser extensions and desktop applications. I don't just build features, I help you with reduce feature cost, avoid scaling issues, launch faster with clean architecture, and yes, I use AI tools smartly to speed up development while keeping quality high. Check out my work on GitHub and my portfolio. And if you are serious about your project, let's jump on a quick call and make it happen.